So here we have a Bravo Best 840 XL espresso machine. The problem with this machine was it was making a buzzing noise at the start, so we replaced the solenoid valve, three-way solenoid valve on the back of the machine, and it's working perfectly fine. We also give it a very good discount, make sure that the steamer was working properly and everything was working good. We're just gonna give it a shot. As you can see, really good color, really good crema. Let's test the water as well. Well, the temperature, and now the steamer. That is completely normal. Starting to be the first one now. Still building up pressure, it should be working now. There you go. Now it's the pressure, and as you can see, it's pretty strong. The temperature as well. Working perfectly fine. Right? Thanks for watching, and this is